Hey kids, it's Professor Sprinkles. Today, we're learning about inertia. Using what? Some coins. Let's go.
To the lab! Science! Dance. Oh, yeah! All right, we're here in the lab with our experiment for inertia, and you can kind of do this with just about anything that's gonna allow you to show inertia.
What?
Inertia is the tendency of objects to stay at rest unless another outside force is acting on them.
Sure about that?
Inertia is the tendency for an object to stay in place.
Ooh, you almost had it.
Inertia.
Sprinkles, you got this one?
Sure, I'll try.
So we're just ready?
Yeah.
Like, oh hey, we're in the lab now and we're gonna do an experiment on inertia. Inertia is the tendency of an object to stay in motion until another object stops that motion, like comes in its way. That was really close, but I forgot halfway through.
Inertia is the tendency of an object that is in motion to stay in motion until another force acts on it, stopping it or slowing it or changing its direction.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! Bellissimo! We did it!
And he was filming that whole time, so now we don't have to do it.
I love inertia.
All right.
Here's how this works. Have you ever been in a car and that car is moving along and then you come to like a stop, whether it's a sudden stop or a slow stop, and you like scoot a little forward?
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's inertia. Well, that's cool. While you were in motion and the car was in motion, your body continues to want to be in motion while the car is going that way. But when the car stops, your body still wants to go that way.
Gotcha.
That's inertia. Our experiment with inertia is pretty simple. We've got a stack of coins, an empty cup, and a piece of cardboard. What are we gonna do?
I don't know, you had the plans for this one.
Oh, it's really simple. We are gonna grab this sheet of cardboard,
Okay.
rip it out, and what do you think is gonna happen?
Well, since the coins are sitting there, I'm gonna assume they're just gonna sit there.
Yeah?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Because they're at rest while this is going forward.
Yeah.
That's just gonna go, and the coins will just drop into the cup.
Oh,
How
I
many
thought they
times
were-
do you think this will take us to get it done?
2 times.
2?
Yeah.
I think 1
All right, give it a shot.
times 10.
Whenever you're ready, Professor. All right, that's
So
one.
that's one of them. That's one of my 10 tries. Let's try another one. There, I believe in you.
Oh, you want me to
Yeah,
do
give
it?
it a shot.
I don't know, that's a lot of pressure to just
Drum roll, please.
get it ready. And I don't even know if I can. I got 2 out of 4.
You get the basic idea?
Oh, I got 4 out of 6.
That's majority? That's majority.
Yeah, it's
more than half.
maturity. You're good at math.
Let's try one more time and aim for all of them.
Okay.
What did you pull in a certain direction?
I just pulled.
Just pull. Let her rip, eh?
Play, 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 let it rip.
You got 1 out of 6. That's a minority, right?
Yeah.
That's less than half.
Way less than half. Maybe the idea that we're trying to get across is that if I pull this in any direction, maybe I should try pulling it.
Try it. Pull it
Yeah.
toward yourself.
That, because the coins are at rest and the cup is at rest, and I'm only trying to act on just the piece of cardboard.
Yeah.
That it'll move and the coins will drop.
Yes.
Yeah, Bella gets it. Bella gets it. Bella, tell him. She's so smart. Oh, that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember to look for the science around you, and I'll see you in the next experiment.
I hate to break it to you, but I did not get that.
That's how it's done. That's inertia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember to always look for the science around you. And we will see you in the next experiment.